So I've been invited to participate in a Hack Club event called Prototype, which is for hardware. And if you've known me before, then you might know that I've never touched anything hardware related in my life, so I'm very worried about it. So I'm going tomorrow. My flight is tomorrow to San Jose in California, and right now I'm just packing my stuff and I'll be updating you how it goes. I'm being fully honest, I'm really excited to go, but I'm also very scared because I've done a lot of website development. I love making websites, mostly working on the front end. I won a couple of hackathons like this one, or many in person ones, or online ones. So, doing hardware will be quite different from what I usually do, but I still really want to go though, and I don't want to look like a bum, so we'll see, I guess.